Hello guys, today we'll be checking how the OpenCart Accordion FAQ would let you display the framed questions and answers for the general doubts and queries of customers in an interactive accordion style to provide powerful navigation. Now this particular plugin helps you to add an easy to use FAQ section to your OpenCart store with jQuery powered animation. So there's no limit to the number of questions that you want to post, and all of them are basically shown as beautifully crafted accordion menu within that, and the answers are displayed within that itself. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I've already created a few ones here, and each one is having the content within it. Here's the title, the content. Similarly, I have added multiple ones. You can also make use of the what you see is what you get editor to add images as well if you want within the FAQ sections that you've created. So the admin can very easily create the FAQ section and can add multiple FAQs from the backend, and can set the status for each of the FAQs as enabled or disabled. However, how the admin wants to set that up, it depends upon the requirement there, whether he wants to enable it or disable it. And apart from that, the admin can manage the FAQs as well. He can delete them as per his own requirement there. So according to the admin's requirement, the admin can create multiple accordion FAQ titles along with the content within them as per the requirement. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular plugin works. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel wherein we'll be checking how to set this accordion FAQ section for the OpenCart platform based web stores. And before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. So this is how the accordion FAQ gets visible on the storefront, as I've already told you. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how we can configure the same from the admin backend panel. So for that, let's head on to the admin backend panel now. So I've already logged into the admin backend panel by entering my username and password, and for the accordion FAQ to make the initial configuration settings, we'll navigate through extensions and then we'll go to the modules. Here we have the accordion FAQ. So after you've successfully installed this particular OpenCart Accordion FAQ, you'll have this particular plugin installed in this section here. And to make the configurations, we'll just tap here in the edit button on the actions column. And here we are on the edit accordion FAQ module section, as you can see. And here we have already added a few FAQ titles and the content, as you can see here, the ones that I had shown you at the storefront. So here's one, this is the second, the third one, fourth, and the fifth one as well. So to enable this particular functionality within your web store, so as to display the FAQs in a beautiful accordion, you'll have to choose the status as enabled. Otherwise, you can set it as disabled to not make use of this particular feature within your OpenCart platform based web store. Then what you can do is you can add an FAQ by tapping on the add FAQ button. You can remove an FAQ by tapping on the remove button. So if I come down here, for example, here you can see that we have added around 3-4 ones. To add a new one, I'll just tap here on the add FAQ button, and that brings up the section wherein I need to enter the FAQ title. So I'll set it as test title for the time being, and we also can set up the FAQ content. So for the time being, I've just entered it as test title. You can make the text as bold, you can underline your text, you can add images to your what we say as the FAQ content if you want. And to remove and edit the FAQ, you can just tap here on the remove button. And after adding the FAQ title and the content, you can tap directly here on the save button, and that would save your particular FAQ that you've just created. So if I go back here, you can see that the particular one is still here. And now at the storefront, if I refresh the page, and now you can see the one that I've just added at the top, that was the test title, and here's the content for the same, that's the test title that I've shown you. Similarly, you can add images as well. So for example, if I want to add an image within the same, so what I'll do is I'll just go ahead, I'll tap here. If I already have some images, I can choose them up, and then I can add them up there. So here I've added one image, as you can see, along with the descriptive text that is there. So I'll just bring that text to the bottom here, and let me save this particular FAQ. Now on the storefront, let me refresh the page and let the magic begin. So here's our FAQ, that's the test title. Here's the image that I've just added. This was the content within the same. So that's how you can set up the Accordion FAQ from the backend. You can add multiple number of FAQs as per your own requirement. Here, to remove anyone, just tap on the remove button, and that would basically be removed from the storefront as well. So you can see that if I save it, I come back to the storefront, I refresh the page once, I scroll down, and now we have the rest of the ones that were there, and the one that I just added has been removed from the same. So that was much about the OpenCart Accordion FAQ, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how we can very easily set up the FAQ title and the content can be richer there. You can add images, you can basically make use of the what you see is what you get editor to set up a very beautiful FAQ section on your storefront, allowing the customers to check the frequently asked questions and can check their answers for the same using the same. So thanks for watching this particular video, and I hope it helped you out. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com. You can also raise a ticket at webkul.com. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.